Excellent. And I'm trying to today. And today we will the open lesson. And as you see our guests in this desk. And now please, who is on duty today? Who is on duty today? Who is on duty? Who is? Dana Sunda. Dana. I'm on duty today. Excellent. And who is absent in our group? What? All are present. All are present, yes? Okay. And what weather like today? Sunny. And what day is it today? What day of the week? What day? Friday. What day? Today is Friday, yes. And what date is it today? What day? 24th December. 24th of December. Excellent. Sit down. Sit down. And now, girls and boys, come here. Come here. And take one picture. This picture is drama and comedy. The stickers is smiling and the other sticker is crying. And who is crying stickers sit in this team of drama, and who takes the sticker comedy sit in this team. Okay. And now our lesson objectives are learn vocabulary, complete 90% of listening tasks, speak about films using topic. And now, girls and boys, stand up. It's warm-up time. Stand up and repeat after me words and actions. It's time to speak. It's time to sing. It's time to sing. It's time to speak. It's time to speak. It's time to show. It's time to show. Ready, steady, go. Ready, steady, go. And say quickly. Yes? Yes. Okay? Yes. Okay. It's time to sing. It's time to sing. It's time to speak. It's time to speak. It's time to show. It's time to show. Ready, steady, go. And the last. It's time to sing. It's time to sing. It's time to speak. It's time to speak. It's time to show. It's time to show. Ready, steady, go. Are you ready for this our lesson? Open lesson. Are you ready? Yes. Yes. Excellent. Now. And now checking up. I'll check up your home class with method Chupa Chups. As you see in this on my table, many Chupa Chups. It's your marks and the task for your home task. Our task was speak about Shakespeare. Yes. And I take one Chupa Chups, and this pupil should say about home task. The first, Nuray, who is? At first, you must say about Shakespeare, and Shakespeare, and you may stand in your place, at your place, and say about Shakespeare was the son of John Shakespeare and the alderman and the 64 blows. Excellent! Marvelous! it's your present. Next. Who is this? Husnai, please. If you answer for my questions, answer for your home task, I'll give you this present. Okay?
His Arlo plays comedy is and his stories and are regarded as some of the best work produced in this genre. He wrote mainly tragedies until 1608 among them Hamlet, Romeo and Juliet, Othello, King Lear, and the Master.
Excellent. Is it Kunya? Is it right? Excellent. Your present. And the next is this. Bravo, please. Bravo, listen, bravo. Please. Your home task. Are you ready for the home task? That's what? No. You have not the present. Next. Ayalım, please. Ayalım.
William Shakespeare was an English poet and actor, widely regarded as a Christian actor in the English language in the work Christian dramatist.
Excellent. Well done. It's your present. Next pupil is Adlet. Adlet, please, your.
Sometime between 1585, he began as a saxophone carver in London as an actor and had out of a playing company the Lord Chamberlain's men.
Excellent. You're applauding. And this present yours. Okay, the next. Shanaras, please. Shanaras.
At the age of 18, he married and husband with whom he had 3 children, Susanna and twins Hamlet and Chance.
Yes, it's right. Applause. Next, the next pupil, Mirjan. Mirjan, please. Where is Mirjan?
His plays translated into every major living language and are frequent more often than those of any other
Playwright, yes. It's well done. Next pupil, Jana, please. Jana.
William Shakespeare's extent, including collaborations, consists of some 39 plays, 54 sonnets, 3 long narrative poems, and a few Asian verses, some of uncredited authorship.
Okay, excellent. Applauding your present. It's your present and your next. Sayat, please. Sayat.
William Shakespeare opened college in England, Bachelor poet and part of Edinburgh.
Excellent. Applauding, please. Your applause. Next, Makinur, our last pupil. Makinur, please. Are you ready? Please. Say about Shakespeare. What do you know about him? Makinur, say our new thing. Can you read this thing? Our thing. We have to Thousand shots. Say louder. What?
Dramas.
And the?
Drama.
And the?
And the comedy.
Yes, excellent. And now And one question for Nurala. Okay? Nurala, please stand up. And do you know this person? Do you know this person or not? Who is this? Come. Yes, Abay Kunambay. Excellent. Close. You are close. Excellent. And now, girls and boys. Girls and boys, our new theme for today, drama. As you can see, drama and comedy. Please repeat after me. Drama and comedy. Repeat after me, all of you. Repeat. Drama and comedy.
Drama and comedy.
Yes. And now, what is the drama and what is the comedy? Comedy is a type of drama intended to interest and amuse the audience rather than make them deeply concerned about events that happen. The characters overcome some difficulties, but they always, over time, they are ill fortune and they find happiness in the end. Комедияда балалар қазақша бір түсіндіріп жіберейін. Комедия дегеніміз не? Әзіл сыға және көңілді ойындарды айтады екен. For example, do you know this film? Do you know this film?
Comedy.
It is comedy and the name of film. Name.
Один дома.
Next, drama. What is a drama? Drama is a story told in dialogue by performers in front of an audience. Drama is another word for play. When you think of drama, you might think of stage plays performed in theaters. However, drama is more than theaters. What is a drama? How do you think? What is a drama? Drama is немесе махаббат туралы көңілсіз қайғылы оқиғаларды айтады екенбіз. For example, what? Romeo and Juliet. Yes, Romeo and Juliet. Now watch the video about our new theme. Switch off.
Drama and comedy. Think of your favorite movie or TV show. Drama. Drama is literature that is written in order to be performed. Before cinema and TV shows, people would go to the theatre to be entertained. Two of the popular types of plays were tragedies and comedies. A tragedy is a story ending unhappily, with something terrible happening to the hero. A comedy is a funny story, which usually has a happy ending. One of the most famous playwrights is William Shakespeare. He wrote hilarious comedies and heartbreaking tragedies. As You Like It is a very funny comedy. Rosalind dresses up as a boy and escapes to the forest. There she meets Orlando. What will happen when Orlando finds out she is a girl? Hamlet is a sad tragedy. When his father dies, Hamlet's uncle Claudius becomes the king. The ghost of Hamlet's father tells him that Claudius murdered him. Will Hamlet take revenge? Romeo and Juliet is considered one of the great love stories. Romeo and Juliet like each other, but their families are enemies. Will they be together? Do you think Romeo and Juliet is a tragedy or a comedy? These plays are still performed all around the world. Which one would you like to see?
Okay, that's all. And the question, Romeo and Juliet, drama or comedy?
Drama.
Drama, yes, it is a drama. And now, girls and boys, our next task. Our next task. 1 minute for you. Okay, бастаймыз, иә? Ой, комеди сол жоқ. Неғып деген ғой, еще. Комеди, драма. Комеди екесін драма. Okay. I will give you only 1 minute. Okay, your time is out. Who is ready? Who is ready? Кім дайын? Қай топ дайын? The team committee, are you ready? Are you ready? Tell about, at first, read your question. Read your question.
What is
What is a committee?
Bonjour, good evening, Satiric committee, committees committee, religious committee, musical committee,
And who wants to ask for this question? I always
committee from the Greek entertainment, musical song, a drama adapted for their listening in order to show their behavior work.
That's all. Next, who wants to answer this question? Yes or no?
The first scientific comedy began in ancient Greece with and named in honor of the blind guy Danish and I studied of the time West Aristotle.
Okay. You have some mistakes in your description. Next, the team drama. Who wants to answer? At first, read your question, please. Shana, read your question.
What is a drama? Drama is a complete genre that conveys artistic truth through their words.
Okay. Who wants to answer? Who wants? Matinor, please. Complete. Who wants to help to Matinor? Who wants to help? Yes, excellent. Applause. Because it's your level. And now, next hour. In vocabulary hunt. Vocabulary hunt. Open your vocabulary copybooks. And write our new theme. Open your vocabulary copybooks. Open. Ashad. Open your vocabulary and these new words for you. You may write these new words or stick in your paper. And now stand up and repeat these new words. And repeat after me. Family. Ағылшын жазылмайды. Family. Kazakh equivalent of these words, yes? And now, who wants to read these new words? Who wants to read these new words? Adil, please read the first word.
Family, otası.
Yes. Next, Jonas.
Quiet, şaygası.
Yes.
Love, mahavat.
Love.
Love.
Next.
Angry, aşılar.
Makinor, please. Get married. Yes. What is it? What Kazakh form get married? No. Next. Mijan.
Hey, yurtta.
Sleep.
Sleep.
Sayat, please. Letter. Hot. Ayol, please. No. Jet. Poison. Next.
Ulanı.
Next. Knife. Next. Ayol, please. Wake up.
Wake up.
Yes. And just sit down. And now, time to breathe. And stand up, all of you, and do this.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving through the jam, singing gummy bear. Gummy bear. Gummy bear.
ортаға тұрса, ортаға бар.
And now your I'll give you some words. In these writers, William Shakespeare and Abay Kunabayev. I need to volunteer every of these teams. Two. Jana, please. Please, next.
камераға түсіріп жатыр, Аня.
You should find
Ayağımı heyecanlı.
comedy team, comedy. Мою Шефиля, это ayağım drama, for drama team, avec mobile. Now, find these two writers. What find this? Okay. That's all? Okay, please read. Read. Agnes, please read.
Glass of milk.
Black.
Of eye.
Please translate in Kazakh. That was my
Kozu'nun parası.
Yes, excellent. Closing, please. Close.
Next.
Jana, please.
Same. Yun same in the mountain. Can eat here.
Yes, excellent. Translate in Kazakh.
Glass.
Just. And can you, Jana, please, can you tell us one poem of Abay Kunambay? One poem in Kazakh, please. Only for Adet, you know? Do you know? How on?
Kızının karası, gönlümün sanası, bitmeydi işlerin, aşıktır arası.
Please approach. And read the third poem. True, windless.
Through windows,
Night.
the fleeting mode.
Yes, excellent. Down. I'll give you 1 point. One smile. And now the second group, please read.
Demon out of hand, out hell, my bed, team player,
Excellent. Is
Julio, Ramírez,
Romeo and Juliet. Julius
team player,
Yes.
Oscar,
Atilla.
Excellent.
Excellent. Sit down. I'll give you 1 point. And 1 smile. And now, girls and boys, please make short dialogue. Who wants to come to the blackboard? Short dialogue. Қысқаша диалог қылып жіберейікші осы жердегі жаңағы ақындар жазушылар бар. Who wants to smile? And your yes.
Hello.
Quick. Hurry up.
What do you know about Shakespeare? Joe, how are a lot of Shakespeare, Othello, and Hamlet, and the Road? And what words do you know?
No.
About number is a postcode and with Kazakhstan. About animal work for speak Абайдың қара сөздері жеті үстінде жаралайды.
Excellent. Marvelous. And sit down. Sit down, please. And now, our next task, watch this video. Watch video. No. Open your books on page 45, 42. It's my mistake. open your exercise book. And write down our new date, the 24th of December, Thursday, and our safety day, drama and comedy exercise. Now, 45. Exercise 1. With the acting game, please listen to them. This.
Basa verin bak kamerasını.
That's right. It is right. Al bakalım bakalım.
Yeah.
Yes.
Apa sih ini?
And now, girls and boys, see this video. It's your home task. It's a poem of Romeo and Juliet, of Shakespeare, Romeo and Juliet. Did you hear of this about this poem? Естелер бар ма? Romeo and Juliet аны? And now, watch this video.
Many years ago, in Verona,
And I'll give you some tasks for your home.
Italy, there were two families.
We are the Capulets.
We are the Montagues. These families are always fighting. The Montagues have a son, Romeo. The Capulets have a daughter, Juliet. One night, the Capulets have a party, and Romeo goes. He meets Juliet, and they fall in love. Juliet's cousin Tybalt sees Romeo and is very angry.
He's a Montague. Get him.
Oh, Romeo, why are you a Montague? Romeo and Juliet talk and decide to get married. They know that their families will be very angry, so they go to Friar Lawrence and are married in secret. The next day, Tybalt sees Romeo. He is still angry with Romeo and wants to fight him. Romeo doesn't want to fight, but his best